Looking for methods to save money on groceries and still feed your family healthy and delicious meals? You've come to the right spot. These strategies will come in handy whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or just want to save some money. In today's video, we'll teach you how to feed your family on a budget without losing quality, flavor, or nutrition. So here are the top 10 tips to feed your family on a budget. 1. Make a meal plan. Well, look who's here trying to save money at the supermarket. My friends, it's about time. Let's get you guys on a budget and start saving your hard-earned dollars. We know what you're thinking. Preparing meals ahead of time sounds like a chore. But trust me when I say it's the greatest way to keep your wallet happy. No more purchasing random foods that you will forget about and then have to throw away when they begin to get moldy and mushy. And don't forget about those annoying impulse purchases. You know, the ones that mysteriously appear in your cart while you aren't looking. With a meal plan, you can stick to your grocery list and avoid those enticing snacks. So put on your thinking cap and plan out every meal, snack, and beverage you'll need for the week. To keep things interesting, experiment with fresh vegetables and salads, as well as pasta, soups, and grains. You will not only save money, but you will also be doing your body a favor by choosing healthier products. It's a win-win situation for everyone. 2. Check out catalogs. The unsung heroes of the checkout line, the good old grocery catalogs. My friend, don't underestimate their power. They may appear to be dull brochures, yet they contain the secrets to your supermarket shopping success. So the next time you're in line, don't just twitch your thumbs or scroll through your Instagram account. Grab a catalog and read it from cover to cover. You never know what kind of treasures you'll find. And don't be deceived by those special buys. Sure, their fancy packaging and low pricing will capture your eye, but don't overlook the other discounted things on offer. Those ordinary cans of beans or rice could hold the key to your next culinary masterpiece. So grab a pen and begin drafting a grocery list based on the reduced items in the catalog. Who knows, you might discover a new favorite food or save enough money to purchase that expensive coffee machine you've had your eye on. My friend, the possibilities are limitless. 3. Dump the packaging. Let us now discuss convenience. Sure, having everything prepared and pre-cooked is convenient, but at what cost? That would be your wallet. Pre-packaged salads and pre-cut vegetables may save you a few minutes of chopping time, but they cost more than twice as much as their unpackaged counterparts. Don't even get me started on ready-made meals. At that point, you might as well employ a personal chef. Not to mention the yogurt, cheese, and juice boxes. They may appear to be the ideal on-the-go snack, but they will also cost you an arm and a leg. Pack some reusable containers and make your snack packs instead of packing for the environment and yourself. Your pocketbook will appreciate it. Who knows, you might acquire a new skill for slicing vegetables or making your yogurt and granola bowls. It's similar to a cooking show, but the stage is your kitchen. So my friends, forego the convenience and enjoy the savings. 4. Don't shop for brands. I know we all have our favorite brands, but could you tell the difference if you tried them all blind? If the answer is no, you might want to stop caring about brands. When you get rid of brands, you'll be surprised at how much easier it is to feed your family on a budget. 5. Buy in bulk. Hello there, bargain hunters. Are you ready to grab some great savings on pantry essentials? Let's get started. First up, canned tomatoes. If you see those bad boys for sale, it's time to conduct a victory dance. With those juicy red orbs, you'll be able to make a variety of delectable recipes. Spaghetti sauce, chili, salsa, you name it. But don't stop there. When it comes to basics, buying in bulk is the way to go. So gather some whole grains, brown rice, pasta, and large jars of peanut butter, honey, and olive oil. Trust me, you'll be set for weeks. Don't be shy if you see bread on sale. Buy many loaves and freeze them for later use. You'll be the envy of all your pals with your hoard of discounted carbs. But remember, don't buy the stuff you won't use before they expire. That is simply unnecessary and defies the aim of saving money. So, resist the impulse to buy that unique spice blend you'll only use once and stick to the fundamentals. Now, go forth and dominate the grocery store with your newfound bargain hunting abilities. If you are enjoying the video so far, Please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to see more money-saving tips. 6. Eat local. People are becoming more aware of the advantages of a farm-to-table strategy. It is more environmentally friendly and assures that you are consuming fresh, locally sourced produce. So if your community has a farmer's market, make the most of it. You'll be astonished at how much less expensive it is to purchase directly from the source. Not only that, but you'll adore how fantastic food tastes when it's fresh rather than cold preserved. 7. Ditch the meat. If you replace half of your meals with other protein sources, your grocery bill will go down by a lot. If you can't give up meat, you might want to choose cheaper cuts. They are great for cooking in a slow cooker. 8. Turn on the oven. While we're on the subject of recipes, it goes without saying that if you want to save money on groceries, you'll have to do a lot of cooking. Put on your apron, roll up your sleeves, and get to work. Use your imagination and think outside the box. Making your salad dressings, hummus, sweets, bread, and drinks is a breeze. Incorporating goodies into your cooking will keep you from feeling deprived. 9. Leftovers. Hey there, waste warriors. If you're fed up with wasting perfectly delicious food, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Roast dinner leftovers? No worries. You don't have to throw away the tasty meat. Put it in a stew, a soup, or on a sandwich for a next-day lunch that will have your coworkers salivating. Don't even get me started on the extra vegetables. Who says they have to be thrown away? You'll be the talk of the town if you make a frittata, quiche, or roasted veggie relish. You'll not only be helping your wallet, but you'll also be helping the environment. It's a win-win situation for everyone. So let's offer a standing ovation to all the leftovers out there just waiting to be transformed into a magnificent feast. Let us shower them with affection and allow them to shine in all their residual splendor. 10. Plant some veggies. Calling all gardeners and would-be farmers. Why not harness your inner Martha Stewart and develop your vegetable plot if you have some spare room in your backyard? It will not only save you a lot of money, but it will also be a fun pastime for the entire family. Consider it an outdoor science experiment with the added benefit of being able to eat the results. And let's be honest, who doesn't enjoy the taste of fresh, homegrown vegetables? However, the advantages do not end there. Your children will enjoy watching the plants grow and learning about the origins of their food. And who knows, maybe they'll develop a taste for those terrible greens. So roll up your sleeves, grab a pair of gardening gloves, and get ready to dig, literally. You'll be surprised at how much money you'll save on groceries, and your children will be surprised that vegetables may taste nice. Just don't blame us if your backyard evolves into a full-fledged farm and your neighbors begin requesting free fruit. Happy gardening! That's all there is to it, guys. We hope you enjoyed the 10 tips to feed your family on a budget. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-saving content. If you want to learn more ways to save money right now, check out this video about the 18 tips to stop impulse buying.